Hey everyone, welcome back to Heart Hub. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest relationship tips and advice. Today we're diving into a topic that can make or break your dating life. First dates. We all know how nerve-wracking they can be, so I'm here to share 10 proven first date tips to help you make a great impression. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Plan ahead. A little preparation goes a long way. Choose a location you're comfortable with and make a reservation if necessary. This shows that you're considerate and organized. Plus, it takes away the stress of last-minute decisions. Tip number 2. Dress to impress. Wear something that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Remember, first impressions are often visual, so put in that extra effort to look your best. But don't overdo it. Just be yourself. Tip number 3. Be punctual. Arriving on time shows respect for your date's time. If you're running late, send a quick message to let them know. Nobody likes to be kept waiting. Tip number 4. Bring a small gift. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant. A flower, a small box of chocolates, or even a handwritten note can make a great impression. It's the thought that counts. Tip number 5. Be positive and upbeat. Keep the conversation light and positive. Avoid topics that are too heavy or controversial. A good sense of humor can be your best ally. Tip number 6. Ask questions. Show genuine interest in your date by asking about their hobbies, interests, and experiences. People love to talk about themselves, and it shows you care. Tip number 7. Listen actively. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Engage with what they're saying and respond thoughtfully. It's a conversation, not an interrogation. Tip number 8. Mind your manners. Simple gestures like saying please and thank you go a long way. Good manners are always in style. Tip number 9. Avoid distractions. Put your phone on silent and give your date your full attention. It shows that you value their company. And finally, tip number 10. Be yourself. Authenticity is attractive. Don't try to be someone you're not, because if things go well, you want them to like you for who you really are. Just relax and enjoy the moment. There you have it. 10 proven tips to make a great impression on your first date. Remember, the key is to be confident, considerate, and genuine. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Heart Hub for more dating advice. Thanks for watching and good luck on your next date.